every machines are changed, and this too. I'll come back to these 5 of them, so I don't know, 6 of them. Let's just check this one. It's pretty deep jungle on this one. What? I've never seen this like this. I heard that noises. These are those. And this as well. So it's pretty cheap. And this old drum. It's old drum. I'm not gonna show that thing because I feel a little bit more range for the. These are Bosches. These are Bosches. Because I meant Bosch Series 2 and then this. Yep. Series 2 and I'm not going to shut the door because I don't know. There's a higher. I can tell the drums is a bit smaller than like 6 kilogram. And this higher. There we go. And because I have new higher with that thing design. Oh my gosh. I've never seen this drum like that. It looks like from Whirlpool. It looks like Whirlpool drum. Or I don't know. Describe that. And there's a hot point made out of Beko. There's a hot point made out of Beko. Huh? All these threes have blue paddles on. Of course, a hot point made out of Beko and this too. 12 kilogram. Hot point. That's metal 11 kilogram. 9 kilogram. This is I think it's a 1600. No, it's 400. 8 kilogram. And that's it, Vetimat 7 kilogram. I'll show you the look at it. Vetimat 7 kilogram. My uncle's is a brushless motor. And of course I have new Hoover with the new logo design. I think it's made of higher. Yep, made of higher. And it's a deep drum. There's another Hoover. Oh, sometimes it wasn't, but I don't know. And of course I have the. Oh wow! Oh, how disgusting this drawer is. Yep, that's it. Of course I've been seeing the college like almost like 3 years. It's another one. And this is a brand new. It's a 10 kilogram. There's another 10 kilogram Beko. Oh, I think I seen this last year. I think. This is a 9 kilogram one. 8 kilogram. Pretty much familiar. I'll see. This is a 9 kilogram. Because I have a new candy. I think it's made of higher. Yeah, it is. Made of a higher. It looks as if. Looks nice though, actually. And of course another candy made of higher as well. And there's Interset. There's a new Interset. Whoa. I don't think this is like a small drum nose. Can't believe that in every machine. Wow. Huh? This is a 40 spin, 8 kilogram, and this is 7 kilogram drone spin. It looks like small drum has a Logic L712 WM 23, I think. I'll show that. I think I saw one. Now this is my favorite machine. I like. It's got a bigger drum, obviously, but I like the knob with it. Not this one. Also have a Logic L914 WM23. And this is the small one. L71, oh what? It's got a hair on it. L712 WM23. Yeah, the small drum. Basically like, it looks like 6 kilograms. This is Samsung. What is this? Washer dryer. It's, I think it's 96 kilograms. These are washer dryer. I'll come back to later. Let's have a look. These dryers now. Now, just gonna go on for the first one. 10 kilograms. Everything's brand new actually. Tell. I'll see now the colors things. Now let's go to integrated version. This Bosch Eco Science Drive. There we go. Let's go version. Yeah. So Hotpoint Hotpoint Vertimeter 8 kilograms. It's got titanium drum. Every machine is 8 kilograms titanium drum integrated one. That one's empty. This 8.5 kilograms. You can tell to look at the different door. Look how this different door is, and there's door seal as well. It's crazy. Oh my god, there's another one. Oh my god. Yep, that's it. Now this is the LWI 812W22 wash machine. There we go. It's got a Bosch drum. Now this 8 kilogram 40 spin off of this. You can tell they're very long than I expected to. You can tell with this washer dryer. Look at the washer dryer. Same as door. It's the double glass and everything. Why the doors are so weird? No, I'm not gonna say that. This is the Hoover 60 spin. It's got the old drawer now. It's got a version of the old drawer in it. So. It's got a version of Hoover drum. That's cool. Which one is this? Wait, it's a 9 kilogram. I want to see. I think they stopped the brushless anymore. And this Hotpoint, that's 9 kilogram. There's a spin brake. There's a spin brake. And this too. We're expected to do it. This is a wash dryer. L10 W7D23. And this washer dryer as well is 8 kilograms. And this is my favorite as well. In this 76 kilogram washer dryer. Don't know what the motor is. Whoa, spin brake. I think it's a Vertimeter washer dryer. It's got a version in all door. 10 kilogram washer dryer. Again, this in the set. It's version of washer dryer. I don't know why this machine is this different. It's got all logo of Candy. Oh, it's got a Vetsmotor. What was that? I heard that thing. That doesn't make sense. Beko 85 kilogram, 1057 kilogram washer dryer. Yep. This is a Hoover 96 kilogram. I was gonna miss it in here. Does it has brushless? Nope. Steering. Oh, I didn't know it says investment. They get away with brushless. This is hot point. Now let's get it to the dryer. I already done this dryer. It's got a version of Beko drum. It's Logic LPH10 W25. Now I want to look at phones. We'll go on tablet first. Let's go to Samsung. Wow. Look. Pretty cool, huh? I like the tablet. I like Samsung. Some kind of rubbish things that happened. There's a cheap tablet. Tab A11 Plus. I don't want to buy it. I had a Tab A9 Plus already. Tab S10 is this one's version. I think it's like One UI 7. I'm gonna do it like that. One UI 7. And this one. Still get back to this. Well, what's to say? Oh, this is experience app. No, this is experience app's like £800. £800. It is expensive. Now, let's go to the phones. The most thing phones don't like. I don't like these Motorola's because Motorola doesn't work. No, some people hate it, but S25 Edge. It's kind of nice though. Now let's go to A30. This was A26. Let's go A36. Really cool. I'm gonna get this thing for Christmas. I think it was 400. Yeah, that's too much. August costs like 250. I think. Yeah. Cool. That's a Motorola. Yo. Nah, I don't like Motorola. Look at the graphics. It sucks. Graphics sucks. Wow. No. Turn on. Get off. C Fold 7. This is a really. It turns to its tablet. This one, C Flip 7, very nice. S25 Ultra, pretty nice shape. S25 FE, and this is the S25. I don't want to show iPhone because I hate iPhone because Apple bricked me before.